Alright, so I have example 2, and again, we're trying to figure out if this table is proportional or not. So what I did was I took this table right here, and I transferred it over to my paper. And again, same thing, we have our x values, so if you want to pause the video and copy this down, please go ahead and do so. So we would have 1/5, 2/3, 3/4, 3/5, 1/2, and 1/3. And we're trying to see, well, is this proportional or not? So let's get started. Remember, to find the constant proportionality, we're always dividing by y over x. So first, I'm going to take my y value. We have 3/5 over 1/5. Uh-oh, I went a little over. But that's the same as 3/5 divided by 1/5. Okay, so remember we're going to put this little arrow here to make sure we remember to flip since we're dividing fractions. I don't know what 3/5 divided by 1/5 is, but I can figure out what 3/5 times 5 is. And so, wow, we're really doing this 15 over 5 situation. 15 over 5, and we simplify, that gives me 3. Cool. Next one, we have 1/2 and 2/3. So I'm gonna just draw a line to separate them. So we have 1/2 over 2/3, and here this is the same as 1/2, again divided because fraction means division, divided by 2/3. Alright, here's my arrow, so I remember that I need to flip this fraction when I change this to multiplication. So we keep the first number, 1/2, change to multiplication instead of division. Now remember, division and multiplication are inverses, so I have to flip the second number. So this becomes 3 over 2. And I get 3/4. Okay, so for this example, this is 3. This is 3/4, which means this table is not proportional. So I do not have to keep going and test out ratio 3 because honestly, I'm already done. Okay, all of these two already don't equal each other, so I already know that this table is not proportional. So to save time, I could just stop. Okay, so that's really the biggest thing. Like, no, it is not proportional. And in the multiple choice, you will choose it's not proportional because the ratios are different. 3 and 3, I'm going to put, does not equal 3/4.